Welcome dear students to the class of maths. We will continue with same topic, pictograph. Students, here comes our sum. The different items that Akshay bought from a supermarket is given in the form of pictograph. So we will see on the left hand side name of items are given, on the right hand side how many number of items he has purchased. So items are soap, shampoo, chocolate, green apples, soft drink and egg. Scale is one picture means one item. So here soap is represented by 6 picture, that means 6 multiplied by 1 gives you 6. So 6 number of soaps he has purchased. Shampoo is represented by 2 pictures, so 2 multiplied by 1 gives you 2. So 2 shampoo bottles he has purchased. Chocolates are represented by 4 picture, so 4 multiplied by 1 gives you 4. So 4 chocolates he has purchased. Green apples are represented by 5 pictures, so 5 multiplied by 1 gives you 5. So 5 green apples he has purchased. Soft drinks are represented by 4 picture, so 4 multiplied by 1 gives you 4. So 4 soft drink bottles he has purchased. Eggs are represented by 8 pictures, so 8 multiplied by 1 gives you 8. So 8 eggs he has purchased. Moving on to the next example. Pictorially show 50 bowls and mention the scale. So students, here we will see with the help of pictures. So one bowl, you all can see scale we have taken as one bowl means 10 bowls. So 50 divided by 10 gives you 5. So 5 bowls we will show in the picture. Now students, moving on to the next example. Pictorially show 100 spoons and mention the scale. So first we will write the scale. In this picture you can see 1 spoon. Scale we have taken as 1 spoon means 20 spoons. So 100 divided by 20 gives you 5. So here we will arrange 5 spoons in a row. Moving to the next. Show 40 tennis balls pictorially, taking the scale as one picture for 10 balls. So students, here you can see one tennis ball. Scale is already given in the question, that is one ball means 10 balls. So 40 divided by 10 gives you 4. So 4 balls we all can see in the picture. Now moving on to the next example. Pictorially represent 25 candies and mention the scale. So in this picture you can see one candy. Scale we have taken as one candy means 5 candies. So 25 divided by 5 gives you 5. So 5 candies we are going to show, or we can see in the picture. Now students, moving on to the next. Give a pictorial presentation of the following data. In a bakery there are 50 pineapples, 60 chocolate and 30 strawberry flavor cupcakes. Now students, we are going to draw table and we are going to arrange and show in the form of pictures. So here is the table. On the left hand side we have written flavors of the cupcake. On the right hand side number of cupcakes. So first is pineapple flavor, second is chocolate flavor, third is strawberry flavor, and the scale we have taken, one cupcake means 10 cupcakes. Now let's start our sum. So 50 pineapple cakes are there. So 50 divided by 10 gives you 5. So we are going to show 5 cupcakes in pineapple. Next is chocolate cake. So there are 60 chocolate cakes. So 60 divided by 10 gives you 6. So here in place of chocolate cake we are going to show 6 cupcakes of chocolate flavor. Next is strawberry. So there are 30 strawberry cupcakes. So 30 divided by 10 gives you 3. So we will show 3 cupcakes in place of strawberry flavor. So students, moving on to the next example. Give a pictorial representation of the following data. In a library, there are 40 mystery novels, 50 biographies and 30 comic books. So all these we are going to show in the form of pictorial table. So here is the table. On the left hand side you all can see we have written types of book. On the right hand side, number of particular books. So in type of books there are mystery novels, biographies and comic books. Scale we have taken, one book means 10 books. Now mystery novels are total 40. So 40 divided by 10 gives you 4. So we will draw 4 books of picture in mystery novel. Biographies are 50 books. So 50 divided by 10 gives you 5. So we will show 5 books of pictures in biography column. Next is comic books, which are 30. So 30 divided by 10 gives you 3. So 3 books of pictures we will show in place of comic books. Now students, we will see one more example. Draw a pictograph of the following data. In a colony of 100 people, 30 were below the age of 20 years, 40 were in the age group of 21 to 50 years, and the rest of them were about the age of 51 years. So all these we are going to show in the form of table. So here is the table. On the left hand side we have written age groups. On the right hand side, number of people. So age groups are below 20 years, between 21 to 50 years and above 51 years. Scale we have taken as one face means 10 people. So students, below 20 years are represented as 30. So 30 divided by 10 gives you 3. So 3 faces of peoples we are going to show below 20 years. The next one is between 21 to 50 years are represented by 40. So 40 divided by 10 gives you 4. So 4 faces of people we are going to show between 21 to 50 years. Next is above 51 years. We have to find out. So total 100 peoples were there. Out of that 30 were below 20 years. 40 were there between 21 to 50 years. So the total is 70. So 100 minus 70 gives you 30. So 30 faces of people we are going to show above 51 years of age. Now student, moving on to our next example. Pictographically represent the following data. In a playgroup, children were given colorful cubes to play with. Asha had 9 cubes, Kiran had 7 cubes and Manish had 11 cubes. So here is the table. Name of children are written on the left hand side, number of cubes on the right hand side. So Name of the children are Asha, Kiran and Manish. Scale we have taken 1 cube means 1 cube only. So let's see how we are going to solve this sum. Asha is having 9 cubes. So 9 divided by 1 gives you 9. So 9 pictures of cubes we are going to show in front of Asha. Kiran is having 7 cubes. So 7 divided by 1 gives you 7. So 7 cubes of pictures we are going to show in front of Kiran. Manish is having 11 cubes. So 11 divided by 1 gives you 11. So 11 pictures of cubes we are going to show in front of Manish. Students, moving on to our next example. Pictographically represent the following data. In a clock shop, there are 20 pendulum clocks, 40 round clocks, 60 hexagonal clocks and 100 watches. So here is the table. Types of clocks we have written on the left hand side, number of clocks on the right hand side. Name of the clocks are pendulum clock, round clock, hexagonal clock and watches. Scale we have taken 1 clock means 20 clocks. So pendulum clocks are 20. So 20 divided by 20 gives you 1. So one picture of clock we will show in place of pendulum clock. The next one is round clock, that are 40. So 40 divided by 20 gives you 2. So 2 pictures of clock we will show in place of round clock. Hexagonal clocks are 60. So 60 divided by 20 gives us 3. So 3 pictures of clocks we will show in place of hexagonal clock. Watches are 100. So 100 divided by 20 gives us 5. So 5 picture of clocks we will show in place of watches. Students, hope you all have understood how to solve sums of pictograph.